Yak Back Pack.
Hi, welcome to Yak Back Pack. Look, we're gonna shoot some targets and find our speech words. Which one should we get? Let's pull back and find the right bullseye. Okay, we got this bullseye. Let's see what word we found. We found the word thorn. Okay, stick out your tongue just a little and blow and say thorn, thorn, thorn. Okay, time to find another word. Put that in and then pull back. Which bullseye can I hit? Yay, I got this one. I was aiming for this one. Let's see what word we found. We found the word thumb. Thumb. Can you say it like I do? Thumb. Thumb. Good trying. Thumb. Thumb. Okay. Let's get another one. Pull back. Take aim. Fire. And we got this one. Let's see what word we got. Thin. Thin. One line is thick and the other line is thin. 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 One line is thick and the other is thin. 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 One line is very thin. Okay, we're ready, we're set. Oh, come on. We gotta pull it back. And let's fire. Let's see if we can get it. Perfect, we did. Let's see what word we got. We found the word thick. Thick. We found the word thick. Can you say thick? Thick. Thick. We found the word thick. Okay, last one. Let's pull back, see if we can get it. Perfect, we did. Good job. Okay, let's see what word we found. We found the word them. Them. I'm glad we found them. They are so nice. Them. Them. We found them. We found them. We found them. They are so nice. I'm glad we found them. We found a thorn and a thumb and a thin line and a thick line, and we found them. Bye-bye.
Yak Back Pack. Yak Back Pack.